All right, everyone, let's take a careful look.
The plank has split, and the rope isn't holding it anymore.
Crocky, hold the bridge steady. Forky, adjust the plank.
Dewi, stay close and watch carefully.
Almost there.
Just a little longer, Crocky.
We're ready when you are.
Ah, perfect fit! All right, nicely done, Forky. Wow!
Oh, let's use the right tool for this.
That should hold nicely.
Okay, here we go. Looks strong.
Solid as a rock. Good work, team.
That's safe now.
Good fixing starts with careful thinking.